tickets to the ultimate Sappho Summer Jol happening in London on the 5th of July? Of course you do, because who doesn't like a freebie? Our lovely Sappho from Sappho Sisterhood is giving away 4 tickets to the Jol of the Year, people. You don't want to miss this. To get your hand on these car keys, all you need to do is give our Sappho Sisterhood a like on TikTok. I'll link her page to this video. Guys, go and support. And then tag 3 of your friends' names in this video. The comment with the most likes by Tuesday will win the car keys. Now, what do these car keys get you? You will get a glass of bubbly, a lovely goodie bag, entry into the raffle to win £100 worth of Sappho goodies. Guys, imagine I won that raffle. I'll just like on the spot because I'm a sucker for a Sappho goodie. Then Hello Pays is also going to be there with a karaoke competition. And they also have a hamper with £100 up for grab. So stuff off your vocal cords and bring out your best karaoke boys because there's some awesome prizes up for grabs. Now, food and drink can be purchased at the venue. It is a strictly over 18s event only, so los asseblief die kiddies by die huis. And guys, there is a dress code of smart casual. Strictly no tackies. Los your techies and your kinders by die huis asseblief. So there we have it, guys. Happy entering and good luck.